Symbolic logic. 1. Test. Aristotle finds that the reality is composed of a series of individual times that constitute a set of matter or form, and the change in the nature of which it changes or is related with the innate intelligence. 2. Logic formula. P or Q and R or S. 3. Logic calculation. T is true, F is false. To the logic circuit is required the default formula to raise to the n. To raise to the 4 is 16. Table logic. 8 true, 8 false in the column P. 4 true, 4 false in the column Q. 2 true, 2 false in the column R. 1 true, 1 false in the column S. Is denotes that P are Q'd in our face false only to when both are face false. And likewise, we are going about R or S, bearing in mind both the are false so that they have are false. The result you love P or Q and R or S forget the response of the two because it is true, and true when both propositions are true. True is true. The rest is false. True is false is false. 4. Demonstration in circuit logic. P, Q, R is true. R and S is true. To bind change. P, Q, R not true is false and S is false. No good change. Thanks.